Hey there. Hey, we all love our smartphones. We carry them everywhere we go. A notification from your phone can be so exciting, right? Just be careful about any links that you click on. Smishing scams are skyrocketing, so watch out for spam texts hiding in your phone. Unfamiliar with the term smishing? Well, here's a quick recap. Smishing scam is a random text message that urges you to click a link. Despite the silly name, smishing is so serious. In 2020, these scams stole $86 million from us Americans. Robotexts are even getting worse in 2022. As of June, the FCC received 8,500 complaints about text message scams. That's about a 49% increase from 2019. Sadly, the problem isn't going away anytime soon. It's such an issue that the US government recently issued an official warning. The FCC made it clear. SMS phishing attacks are escalating this year, so you gotta be prepared. If you're anything like our friend Allie, you're well aware of this. She gets tons of robotexts each month. Here's one that recently popped up in her messages. Check it out, and you'll notice that the signature red flags are there. Spam texts always have embedded links. They also have text specifically designed to trick you into clicking that link. For example, this text says someone was added to her recipient list. The scammer wants Allie to wonder, well, what's going on? Who is this person? The scammer wants her to feel confused and intrigued, so she clicks on the link. Scammers often pretend to be from reputable organizations. They want you to think, oh, I trust this company. It's from Citibank. This must be link-worthy and trustworthy. I'll do it. Sadly, you can't trust random text to be trustworthy. Imposter scams are the most common type of fraud the FCC heard about in 2020. They aren't going away anytime soon, so you gotta be on your guard, guys. Spam texts often try to rile you up. They want to stress you out, so you feel a sense of urgency. Take this scam, for instance. This text threatens Allie. It tells her that if she doesn't click the link immediately, her bank account could be in danger. The cybercriminal behind the text wants her to be afraid that she's going to lose her access to her debit card. It says, verify now, and adds a time frame of 24 hours. As a security expert, Allie recognized this text as a con. She didn't click on the link. But when you see how the message is designed to stir up the emotions, it's easy to see why many people fall for smishing attacks. Once you fall for it, the link takes you to a malicious webpage that downloads malware onto your device. Or if it doesn't immediately inject your device with viruses, it directs you towards malicious websites, links, and ads. Bottom line, clicking these links puts you in danger. If you value your cybersecurity and your safety, be wary of random texts, even if they seem to come from legitimate sources. Scammers love to pretend that they're from legitimate companies. They'll say they're from Citibank or Amazon or Facebook or Google or other trusted institutions, perhaps here in town. But they're just criminals lying through their teeth. But not all scammers will name drop a company. Others will say, an item you never bought is on the way. Wow. And like this text shows right here. This scam tried to convince Allie that she would receive something she didn't purchase. It's meant to make her feel intrigued, so she clicks on the link. But she knew the text was lying. Nothing at all was coming in the mail. There are many different types of spam text messages on iPhones and Androids. Most try to rile up your emotions, while others want to intrigue you. Others play on your love of freebies. No matter what, though, they all have one thing in common. They want you to click the links. Many wonder, why am I suddenly getting spam texts on my iPhone? There's one bright side. The FCC put out a few defense strategies you should keep in mind. Number one, don't click the links. There's too much at risk. If you do need to do business with a legitimate company, type its web address directly into your browser instead of clicking the links. Never trust unsolicited texts or emails with links. Number two, never give away private information through texts unknown recipients. Anything you share can and will be used against you, or it can be sold on the dark web. They might ask for the last 4 digits of your Social Security, for instance. Number 3, don't respond to suspicious texts. Be careful. Somebody's going to contact you out of the blue. If you're thinking you're dealing with a scammer, just simply don't respond. Otherwise, you'll let them know that they have a working phone number and they'll send you more spam in the future. And number 4, easily, file an FCC complaint and text forward the spam to 7726. Hey, we hope that these tips can help you. I know this was long. Thanks, Kim Commando. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If we can assist you in any way that we can, schedule a fix, an appointment if you will, or come visit us here at our store anytime, or you can give us a call. Our phone number is 309-807-3333. We're here to get you back to normal. Thank you.